So I've got a couch, and the lever to pop the footrest is broken. So it turns out that my cable is broken, and I was able to find a new one on Amazon for fairly cheap. I think they call it a recliner release or a sofa pull. I believe this one was about 36 or 37 inches. And then this cable that sticks out is 4.75. So to get this easy access, looks like we just got a couple screws here I'll take out. So now this handle pulls out real easy. And you can see my cable is broken. But this gives me real easy access to it. Now I'll go ahead and pry these little clips out. There we go. All right, now, there we go. And over on the other end, I'm gonna go ahead and use pliers. Squeeze that, push it on out. That just pulled on out of there. All right, so far everything's going pretty good. We're gonna start going back in with a new one. Gonna put the cable under that white piece and then just snap it in there. All right. We're gonna feed this in through. Okay, now we can connect it to this. I went ahead and popped it open. That makes it easier for me to get out some more slack cable. It turns out that my replacement cable is just slightly bigger and it doesn't quite fit in that hole, so I'm gonna have to drill it out just a little bit. All right, so now my hole's just a little bit bigger, so that new cable should just fit right in now. All right, now my new cable fits in. Go ahead and spin it a little bit here. There we go. And now we put our clip back on. And we put our screws back in. So this is the view with the couch upside down. I guess I should have mentioned that at the beginning. But there we go, there's our new cable is working. All right, now for the real test. Oh, look at that.